Body-worn camera footage from first involved officer.
Let's see your fucking hands!
Get your fucking hands up!
350, 998, shots
Show me your
fired.
fucking right hand now! Get your goddamn hand in the air!
Between D&E. Threes 50 shots fired. Expedite medical aid.
Body-worn camera footage from second involved officer.
Stop your vehicle! Stop! Show me your fucking hands! Show me your fucking hands! Get your fucking hands up now! Get your fucking hands up! Show me your fucking right hand now! Get your goddamn hand in the air! We're between D and E.
Threes 50 shots fired. Expedite medical aid.
Copy, affirmative on shots fired, medically expediting.
Quit moving your hands! Stop moving your hands!
20 again. East 51, 2000 block of trucks in Avenue, eastbound lanes.
Block that traffic down there. What you guys got?
Right here. So as he was coming out, we rolled up. He was opening the door. He had a black gun in his right hand.
He's hit.
Yeah, he's hit.
Okay.